Hey YouTube, welcome to another Gshock video, and today I wanted to show off a couple quick AliExpress metal kits. So these are both 5610s, and here we have this is kind of, I think, what they call like a vintage black, where it's kind of got wear already on it, so it kind of gives it a little more of a vintage vibe. Kind of see basically all like the metal edges are kind of buffed to kind of reveal the metal, and it's kind of got just a little kind of faded look to it. Looks pretty cool. And then negative display. So this one I actually purchased already like this. The previous owner had actually took a negative display 5610 and basically switched out kind of the front panels, so it's got the original kind of color scheme and colors of the 5610, so which is fine, I don't mind it, but it looks pretty good, kind of black on black here. And then this is one I just got. This is a titanium, so this is stainless steel, this is titanium, and yeah, I mean, you can feel the difference. I mean, you know, is there a weight difference? Sure. I mean, yeah, this one's definitely light. The titanium's definitely lighter, but I don't know if it's significant enough to, you know, pony up for the titanium cost. So I just got the titanium just to kind of try it out. But now that I have it, my next kit, I'll probably stay with stainless, save a few bucks. But this is the kind of the raw titanium, where just kind of, you know, nothing fancy here other than the polishing here. And then this is the black one, so I'll do a quick on wrist demonstration just to kind of show you what they both look like, and then we will wrap it up. So let's go with the black one first. So here's the black one. Let's zoom out a little bit. Very comfortable. And then the titanium one. You know, titanium just kind of feels a little like cheap. It's always light. It's a little deceiving. You know, sometimes when you have white watch bracelets and they seem light, you kind of, you know, makes you think they're cheap, but it's actually a nice bracelet. And here's the titanium. Throw it on this wrist. And let's see here. Yeah, pretty good upgrade for the 5610. I think the original, you know, the OEM Gshock metals, I mean, you really gotta be a Gshock purist fan to cough up that kind of money, but I'm not. I mean, I like them, but I don't think I can justify spending, you know, 500 bucks or whatever they go for. I think these AliExpress kits do the job. So they're about the same thickness. Yeah. All right, just a quick video. If any questions, let me know. And a quick teaser, I do have one more on the way. I have a blue one, like the blue camo, on the way, and I'm gonna put this red one in there. And I was torn actually if I wanted to go kind of all blue for this red or camo. I thought the blue might be a little too much, so I went with the blue camo for this one. So once I get that one in, I'll kind of put them all three together just to kind of show off what they look like. And you know, this is kind of like the honorary Seiko wannabe watch. You know, I do like this blue though. I wish that was an option. I like this navy blue. Looks good as well. Anywho, just a quick short one for today. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks for